Hello everybody, Robert Crow here, Realtor in Northern Colorado. Today I'm taking you on a walking tour of my new listing at 4500 Unit 72, Seneca Street in Fort Collins, Colorado. All right, let's get started. We're up in the Remax balloon. No, I'm kidding. This is a drone shot, and I do love doing drone video and photography of my listings. I think it gives you a whole better idea of the neighborhood. And this townhome, as you can see, is an end corner unit, beautifully landscaped. That's all taken care of by the HOA there. You've got those tall trees there to give extra privacy around this little courtyard patio, which if you love to entertain or you've got a pet that you want to just sort of let out occasionally or sit with you while you barbecue and enjoy a margarita, this is the perfect setup for you. So, townhome, 2,129 square feet in the southwest corner of Fort Collins, very close to Horsetooth, almost on your doorstep access to Horsetooth and the reservoir up there. This home is phenomenal for multi-generational living. I'll talk to you a bit more about what that means here in a minute. But for the moment, we're seeing the vaulted ceilings in the living area. So this is right as you come in, you have that sitting area. You'll notice that we didn't stage it with a television. There is a living area downstairs too. We made that into the TV room. But coming in the kitchen and tons of cabinetry. For a property of this size, I would say that is way more than average. You've also got the kitchen island there that you can sit around for breakfast, and we saw the walk-in pantry. All connects together through that pass-through, so it makes it feel much more open and spacious and also lets more light in too. So come out of the kitchen, we're gonna go explore the first bedroom, which is on the main level. Now I mentioned before about multi-generational living. What does that mean? Well, this is a phenomenal property because you have two primary bedrooms and then the basement feels a little bit like it's its own apartment. What do I mean by a primary bedroom? Well, we don't use the term master bedroom anymore. We say primary. So this primary bedroom on the main floor, by the way, has brand new carpet in this room, has its own ensuite bathroom with twin sinks there, its own shower, toilet, tub. You'll notice that the shower tub combination is tiled all the way up to the ceiling, has that soap niche there as well, which everybody loves. Walk-in closet. So typical primary bedroom, right? Well, then we have almost the same bedroom on the upper level. So if you have a roommate situation, or if like in my house, I might occasionally snore. So my wife tells me, I don't believe her, but I might occasionally snore. I could go ahead and take the next primary bedroom on that upper level. We'll take you up there in a minute. For the moment, we just pass back through the living area, through the kitchen, and into the laundry room. There's the washer and dryer for you. Through that door is a 2-car finished and insulated garage. So a townhome with a 2-car garage, even better. And it's finished. So in the winter, it certainly stays a little bit warmer. We saw the half bathroom powder room there, and we're gonna go and come on upstairs to that second primary bedroom. There we go. You see the shot from the staircase showing those vaulted ceilings. There's the over the railing shot. And here we are. As you can see, we've staged it with a queen bed. You could easily put a king there if you wanted to. And then just in front of the bed, there's a great nook for a dresser or a seating area. And there's even a bay window. Look at all that light coming through. These twin primary bedroom properties are so rare. I can't even think of the last time that I physically seen one. So very marketable, great for resale. There's your walk-in closet. Here's the ensuite bathroom. This one just has the one sink, obviously the toilet there, and then you can see the tub and tile combo, tile all the way to the ceiling with that soap niche. All right, coming down to the basement. This feels like its own separate apartment. There's not a kitchenette down here, but it wouldn't be too difficult to do one. So you'll see the egress window there with a ladder, and then this is the living area that we staged for the TV room. As you can see, very comfortable, very spacious. Just through that door there, we'll see here in just a second, is what I call a flex room. It can be used as finished storage. It could be used as a little office. It could be used as a kitchenette if you wanted. There is access to the crawl space there as well. On the left is our third bedroom, very spacious. Now the video doesn't show this, but there is a closet, not a walk-in, but a spacious closet with double doors. To our right is our utility room. We are getting the furnace serviced this week. There's a sump pump and sump pit there as well. And then we have the third full bathroom. So we have 3 full bathrooms and a powder room in this property. That's phenomenal. And then just a shot here to show you the 2-car garage. It's a corner unit. And then just around the corner is this beautiful lawn space and gazebo that's taken care of by the HOA. I'm Robert Crow, Realtor with RE/MAX Alliance here in Northern Colorado. Thanks for watching the video on my listing at 4500 Seneca Street, Unit 72. Any questions, reach out to me using the information on screen. And as always, have a smashing day.